select the ellipse tool, make sure to check the expand from center and check the fixed aspect ratio 1:1. And now I'm just going to create the selection, so here. And now I'm just going to drag this selection so I can position it where I want, so here like this. And now right click on your layer, add the layer mask, and then here select the selection, check the selection and then add. So here it is, and now go to select, none to remove your selection. And now if you select the move tool, make sure to select the layer mask, this one here, not this one, select this one. So you can move your circle here on the layer to position it again, so here like this. And then right click on the layer mask and then apply layer mask. And now in order to crop your image here to the layer here, go to image and then here crop to content. So here it is, and now if I left click here, it will zoom in. And now just make sure to export your layer in the PNG format to keep the transparency here. Just go to File, Export As, and then here just for example I'm going to type Gimp image.png, and then here type export. And now for the settings, I'm going to leave all the settings just as they are and then just click on export. And now here's the image. If I double click, so here it is,